Okay, just stop the blooper and give it a good shake. Just stop the blooper on that side. There you go. Just stop it and shake it well. There you go. Very nice. Now that you two are good friends, Simo would like to give you something special. A big, wet, juicy, fishy kiss. Smile. Okay, Laila. Are you still excited? That's good. Okay, let me show you how it's done first, okay? Just lean it like this, and she'll give you a very gentle kiss onto your cheek. Okay? I think Simba's ready. This is all yours. Okay? Just step forward. Just lean your cheek. There you go. Hold it. Wow! That was a kissy one, Laila. So how's the kiss? Did you like it? That's good. So if you were to rate that kiss on a scale of 1 to 10, whoop, and then be the best kiss that you ever had, what will it be? Perfect score. Good job, Samba. Alright. You mean to say she's better than your special someone? She's better? He's around? No? Okay. Any message? Okay, we get some. Anyway, I'm just kidding. How about a nice round of applause for special guest? Thank you so much, Laila, for being such a